Samsung is working on a new low-end smartphone, the Galaxy F06. Leaked images show a unified camera module that combines the dual camera setup and LED flash. Renders showing its 5 colors: orange, dark green, black, blue, and purple. As always with the Galaxy F series, this phone is expected to be a rebranded Galaxy A06, a device which launched back in August. The Galaxy F06 is expected to come with a 6.7-inch HD Plus LCD display and a teardrop notch for the front camera. It will likely run on a MediaTek Helio processor, offering smooth performance for everyday use. The camera setup is expected to include a 50MP primary sensor, a 2MP auxiliary sensor, and an 8MP front camera. The phone is expected to feature a 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging for longer use and quicker charging. The phone is expected to launch in late 2024 or early 2025 at a price of around 7,999 Indian rupees in India. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.